Hello students, good morning everyone. I hope you all are very good, right? And I am good too. So today I welcome you all in your science class. So children, I hope you have done the work very nicely in your notebooks as well as in your science textbooks, right students? So children, in yesterday's video we have completed chapter number 10, that is safety and first aid, and today is the time to start a new chapter. Okay, so before starting the chapter, I would like to show you some pictures and want to ask you about what are these pictures related to. Okay, children? So, are you all ready? Yes, you all are ready, right? So, let me show you pictures. So, see, children, what is this? Yes, these are hands and legs. So tell me, what are the work done by these? Yes, we can pick up things, we can walk, we can run, we can hop, we can jump, we can stand with the help of our legs. Yes, and we can write, we can hold things with our hands. Yes, now see the next picture. In this picture you can see 5 things. Yes, and these all 5 things are known as our sense organs. Yes, skin, eyes, tongue, ears and nose. Yes, so what do these all things are known as? Yes, tell me, what do we call all these things? Now see more pictures. See, this is a picture of heart. Yes, heart pumps blood to all parts of our body. Yes, it has this arteries and veins. Yes, so this is the most important part of our body. Yes, and what is the name of it? Yes, it is heart. Yes, now see the next picture. This is the picture of kidneys. Yes, so kidneys help us in clarifying the waste things from our body. Yes, and these are inside our body, right? So these are kidneys and we are having 2 kidneys, right? Heart is 1 and kidneys are 2. Now see, yes, this is the picture of lungs. Yes, and lungs help us in breathing, right? Without lungs it is really very difficult for a person to survive, right? So lungs helps us in breathing, right? We all are having lungs. So what do we call all these things? Yes, these are known as organs, right? We call all these things as organs, and organs are of 2 types. One is internal and other is external. Yes, we will study about these in the whole chapter. Okay, slowly and gradually we will come to know about internal and external organs, but for now I am just telling you that internal organs are the organs that we cannot touch, right? We cannot touch or see them, but we can feel them. Yes, and external organs are the organs that we can touch, like my fingers, my hand, I can touch it, like my nose, my ears. Okay, so external organs are the organs that can be seen or touched by everyone, right? Now, so various organs make up our organ system, right? बहुत सारे ऑर्गन्स मिलके हमारे लिए क्या बनाते हैं? ऑर्गन सिस्टम. और ऑर्गन सिस्टम किस में होते हैं? organ system is in human body, right? In human body. Okay children, so our chapter is chapter number 9, human body. Okay children, so all of you take out your science textbook and get ready to study about human body. Okay children, all of you open your page number 58. Okay, and here is our chapter number 9, that is the human body. Okay, so now what is an organ? You have seen many organs now. I have shown you through pictures what is an organ. Your body is like a machine, but you can think, smell and do many things that no machine can do. Yes, आपकी बॉडी एक मशीन की तरह तो है, बट यू कैन थिंक, आप सोच सकते हो, आप स्मेल कर सकते हो, आप बहुत सारे ऐसे काम कर सकते हो जो एक इलेक्ट्रिकल मशीन नहीं कर सकती है. यस, हाउ कैन यू डू सो मैनी थिंग्स? हाउ? Because your body is made up of many parts that work together, right? आपकी बॉडी बहुत सारे पार्ट्स से बनी है ना, जैसे एक मशीन में, like for example a car is there. So in a car wheels are there, right? Engine is there, many things are there, right? And because of those things that car work. Yes, just like that only our body is also made up of many parts that work together, right? हमारी बॉडी बहुत सारे पार्ट से मिलकर बनी है और उन सब की वजह से ही हम सारे काम कर सकते हैं. यस, ईच पार्ट हैज़ इट्स ओन जॉब. हर पार्ट का, हमारे बॉडी के हर पार्ट का एक अलग अपना काम है ना, क्योंकि हर इंसान, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल मदर और फादर ले लो आप अपने घर में, है ना, तो पापा के काम जो हैं सारे काम मम्मी कर ले, ये ज़रूरी तो नहीं है. इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी. और सारे मम्मी वाले काम पापा ही कर ले, वो भी ज़रूरी नहीं है ना. सबके काम, सबका वर्क जो है वो डिवाइड होता है ना. जैसे आपकी बॉडी में अगर आप आइज़ क्लोज़ कर दोगे और आप अपने ईयर्स से बोलो कि ईयर्स हमें दिखाई नहीं दे रहा, तो क्या ईयर्स से आप देख सकते हो? नहीं देख सकते, बिकॉज ईयर्स आर हैविंग देयर ओन जॉब. उनका काम क्या है? उनका काम है टू हेयर, सुनना. एंड आइज़, व्हाट इज़ द जॉब ऑफ आइज़? आइज़ का वर्क है टू सी, राइट? सी, eyes, seeing the world around you. Yes, it helps us in reading, it helps us in writing. Yes, so each part of the body that does a special job is called an organ, right children? So जो भी ऐसे पार्ट हैं बॉडी के जो एक स्पेशल काम करते हैं, एक पर्टिकुलर इंडिविजुअल वर्क करते हैं, दैट ऑल parts are known as organ. Yes, so first of all we are going to study about the sense organs, because sense organs are really very important for all of us, right? Because without sense organs it is really very difficult for us to see things around us, to know what is happening around us. Yes, so we can see the things around us, right? We see with our eyes, है ना. हम किससे देख पाते हैं? We see with our eyes. Yes, and your eyes help you to see colors. They also help you to make out if something is far or near, है ना. कोई चीज़ दूर है, कोई चीज़ पास है, तो हमें कैसे नज़र आता है? How can we see? We see through our eyes. Yes, so and even eyes help us in walking. Eyes help us in running. Eyes help us in doing things. Eyes help us in writing, reading, cooking, for each and everything, है ना. बिना देखे हम कोई काम कर नहीं सकते हैं, कर भी सकते हैं. जैसे like blind people, if we take example of blind people don't have eyes, but still they can do their work. Yes, I agree that they can do their work, but not at that completeness they can't do. Yes, उस पूरी तरीके से नहीं कर पाते, वो किसी ना किसी पे डिपेंड होते हैं. उनको थोड़ी सी हेल्प की ज़रूरत पड़ती ही है. Yes, just like us, they are not completely dependent on themselves. Yes, वो पूरी तरह अपने ऊपर डिपेंडेंट नहीं होते, वो दूसरे पर्सन के ऊपर डिपेंड हो जाते हैं. Yes, so we should be thankful to God that He has given us beautiful eyes to see this beautiful world. Yes, so and the next organ, the next sense organ is our, yes, this. You can hear what is happening around you, है ना. आप आस पास का अपना जो शोर है, जो चीज़ें हैं, वो सुन सकते हो. कैसे सुन सकते हो? यू हेयर विद योर, यस, ईयर्स, है ना. अभी भी आप मेरी वीडियो देख रहे हो और उसको सुन भी रहे हो. अगर आप सिर्फ देख पाते और सुन नहीं पाते तो भी प्रॉब्लम होती, तो भी आपको चीज़ें समझ नहीं आती. यू विल गेट डिफ़िकल्टी इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग द थिंग्स. येस, सो ears are also a very important part of our body. Yes, your ears help you to tell if a sound is loud, soft, pleasant or unpleasant. Yes, we have read it in the chapter number 11, light, sound and force. About sounds we have read a pleasant sound, unpleasant sound, loud sound, soft sound. Yes, so music, we love to listen music. Yes, but when the loud speakers were there on the road or somewhere, then we are really very irritated. Yes, so that is an unpleasant noise and that is intolerable for us because of its loud sound. Yes, now the third organ is, the third sense organ is, you can smell the things around you. You smell with your, आप अपने आसपास की चीज़ें स्मेल भी कर सकते हो. Yes, sometimes in classroom you tell me that ma'am, sticky smell is coming and stinky smell is coming. Ma'am, very bad smell is coming. Ma'am, very sweet smell is coming. Ma'am, it's a very sweet smell. Yes, so how could you decide it? By smelling with your nose. Yes, by smelling with your nose you can decide that which smell is good, which smell is bad. Like here an example of perfume and an example of garbage is given. Yes, even if you remember, if you have seen in rainy season, when the garbage gets wet, it really gives a very stinky smell and that smell is really intolerable, है ना. वो गंदी सी स्मेल होती है और वो बहुत ज़्यादा हमसे बिल्कुल भी, मतलब हम उसे टॉलरेट नहीं कर पाते. वी आर unable to tolerate it. Yes, so our nose helps us to say if something smells nice or bad. Yes, वही हमें बताती है, हमारी नोज़ जो है वही हमको बताती है कि क्या चीज़ सही है, अच्छी स्मेल कर रही है और कौन सी चीज़ बैड स्मेल कर रही है ना. Yes, what do you do when you enter a dirty room or smell garbage? जब आप किसी गार्बेज को स्मेल करते हो या किसी डर्टी रूम में आप घुस जाते हो, वहाँ बहुत दिनों से वो रूम बंद है, टैकी स्मेल आती है, तो आप क्या करते हो? आप सडनली अपना हैंड जो है अपने नोज़ पे रख लेते हो, है ना. यू डोंट वांट टू स्मेल दैट बैड स्मेल. यस, ओके, सो नोज़ इज़ ऑल्सो अ सेंस ऑर्गन. सो फर्स्ट सेंस ऑर्गन इज़ आइज, सेकेंड इज़ ear, third is nose, now fourth is, yes, it helps you to taste things. You taste with your, yes, ये आपको टेस्ट करने में हेल्प करता है. तो आप किससे टेस्ट करते हो? आप टेस्ट करते हो अपनी टंग से, है ना. नाउ योर टंग हेल्प्स यू टू टेस्ट फूड. ओके, आपकी टंग आपको किस में हेल्प करती है? फूड को टेस्ट करने में. It helps you to know if something is sweet, salty, sour or bitter, है ना. ये आपको क्या जानने में हेल्प करती है? ये आपको ये बताने में हेल्प करती है कि कुछ चीज़ मीठी है, सॉल्टी है, नमकीन है, या खट्टी है या कड़वी है ना. सॉल्टी फूड, स्वीट फूड, वी लव टू ईट आइसक्रीम, है ना. वी लव टू ईट अंकल चिप्स, बट इफ़ आई विल गिव यू समथिंग वेरी बिटर, लाइक बिटर गोट, है ना. करेले की सब्ज़ी हमें खाना अच्छी नहीं लगती क्योंकि वो थोड़ी सी कड़वी हो जाती है ना. बट मम्मा ऐसा बनाती है उसको टेस्टी कि वो कड़वी भी नहीं लगती, राइट? ओके, सो these are the kinds of tastes which our tongues tell us that it is sweet, salty, sour or bitter. Okay children, now let's turn to next page, that is page number 60. Okay, now see, we can feel things, है ना? Our fifth sense organ is skin. Yes, हमें कैसे पता लगता है कोई चीज़ हॉट है, कोल्ड है, कैसे? हाउ डू वी कम टू नो? थ्रू आवर स्किन, व्हेन वी टच इट, when we touch it, so we'll come to know that this thing is hot, this thing is cold, this is rough, this is smooth, this is hard, this is soft. Everything, these kind of things we come to know through our skin. Yes, so skin is also a very important part. Yes, now seeing to see, hearing to hear, smelling to smell, tasting to taste, feeling to feel are the 5 things that help you to know the world around you, and they are called the 5 senses. है ना? इन सब चीज़ों को हम क्या कहते हैं? हम इन सब चीज़ों को कहते हैं senses. Yes, and the 5 parts of your body, जो आपके body parts हैं, जो आपको help करते हैं इन चीज़ों के लिए, like eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, they all are known as your 5 sense organs. Okay, तो sense organs से जो चीज़ें हम कर पाते हैं, that is known as senses. Okay, so sense organs help us in senses. Yes, in senses. Yes, okay, so सेंस ऑर्गन्स हमें किस में हेल्प करते हैं? सीइंग में, hearing, smelling, to taste and to feel. And what are these activities known as? These activities are known as the 5 senses. Okay, now children, here is a box in which we have an interesting knowledge, right? So did you know, क्या आपको पता है, each eye of an insect is made up of more than 100 small eyes. They can see all around. That is why it is so difficult to catch a fly. आपको पता है कि इंसेक्ट की जो आई होती है, इंसेक्ट्स लाइक ant. See, this is an insect ant. Yes, now see, this is a ladybug. It is also an insect. Now see the eyes of insects. See, small eyes you can see. Yes, these eyes are made up of more than 100 of small eyes. You can see now that there are so many eyes. Yes, that is why it is very difficult for us to catch a fly. Now see, this is a picture of a bird. Yes, this is known as a Chinese parrot. Yes, so birds, do you know that birds have ears? Yes, they have, but can you see? No, you can't see, because they are having holes, right? They are having holes in their heads near their eyes. See, here in this picture you can see now, there is a hole near its eyes. Yes, it helps them to hear. Yes, and their ears are covered by soft feathers, right children? So birds hear from these holes. Yes, so children, now you know both the facts, right? Now let's do exercise related to it. Okay, all of you take out your science notebook, and today we will do only one exercise. Okay, because we have already done one exercise of 5 questions in the textbook. Okay, so that is why we are doing only short exercise in notebook, right? So children, here is our exercise. Okay, So first of all, we will write today's date, 23 September 2020, then the heading of the chapter number 9, the human body. Okay, this is our exercise A. Give answer in one word. Okay, each part of our body that does a special job is called an, yes, वो पार्ट हमारे बॉडी का हर वो पार्ट जो कोई स्पेशल वर्क करता है, स्पेशल जॉब करता है, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? वी कॉल देम एज एन ऑर्गन. यस, वी हैव मैनी ऑर्गन्स इन आवर बॉडी लाइक आईज, नोज, हैंड्स, लेग्स, lungs, heart. We have many organs. Yes, so okay, so we call them as an organ, right? Now see the next question. Birds have this in their heads near their eyes which help them to hear. Just like I have shown you pictures also. Yes, in those pictures I have shown you that birds have holes near their eyes. Yes, in their heads. Yes, which helps them to hear. Yes, because it is very difficult for them to hear if they were not having these holes. Yes, right? Now the third question is eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are our 5 dash. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, ये क्या कहलाते हैं? These are known as sense organs. Right, students? These are known as sense organs. Yes, because they help us in many things. Yes, and without them it is really very difficult for us to live. Yes, now seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting and feeling are called the 5. Yes, इन सब चीज़ों को हम क्या कहते हैं? इन सब चीज़ों को हम कहते हैं, we call these things as senses. Yes, these are known as our senses. Yes, so children, I hope you have understood this part which I have taught you today. Yes, and I hope that you all will do your classwork, notebook work as well as your textbook work in neat and clean handwriting today itself, right? So please do it and have a wonderful day ahead.